Okay.
Awesome.
Hello guys, welcome to the new Gorilla Tag update. And since I'm incredibly stupid, I'm gonna be covering it.
What did you say? Yeah, new sound. We gotta possess.
New sound,
Stool.
yes.
Yeah, we also gotta possess Stool.
Not the only possessed thing in this new update.
We gotta type in keyboard.
Come here. There is something very possessed. Trust me. I keep losing tracking.
Oh, I only lost
crap.
tracking once today. Try moving 1 inch away from your normal play space. Maybe that would help your Tell me. No. Yo, hello? Yeah?
See this?
No.
Bro, you need to come up here. This is haunted.
Hi there. Hey, don't.
I see you all in canyon, you silly little goosies. Come here.
Oh my god.
Come here, Daddy.
Get
over here, Daddy. Come here, you silly little goosey.
I'm coming for you.
Ha 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 ha. You suck. You also fell.
Look at this!
Oh my god. What is this?
I am not good.
See this?
What stuff is being... Why is it blue? Why is everything possessed?
Hey, come over here. That's the nut.
We got the new update where we got a blue...
There is only one thing that's possessed. Go take a look up there.
Oh, you silly little monkeys.
I don't like you. You seem to have... Oh! He's a J-Man Curly fan. He has rabies.
If
No, I'm not a
Zoinks
J-Man Curly
that's the
fan
only
anymore.
question. Listen,
I
we
just
have
had
a
an
gun
urge
pointed
to
your
do
head.
that.
If
I'm
you
not
don't
a
answer
J-Man
the right-
I'm not a fan of
you don't
J-Man
answer-
Curly. I just only had the
If
urge
you
to do that.
if you don't
Monkey,
answer these
monkey,
questions,
monkey.
we will shoot the gun pointed to your head.
Boopy,
All right.
boopy.
Are you subscribed to Zoinks?
Yeah, I think so.
Answer.
No, answer yes or no. Don't say I think. No?
Yes or no?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, good monkey. Good
I'll
monkey.
take your phone to the VR.
I'll come back for you. I'll come back for you, you silly little monkey.
What the hell? I just stuck.
Alright, now we're gonna play.
I just stuck to
Now we're gonna
slippery
play
walls.
Russian roulette.
Wait.
No, there's a big old daddy.
Russian roulette now.
Here, no, come here, come here.
Yeah,
Alright, I'm gonna go play Russian roulette. Hopefully,
Kim, come over there. I'm gonna kill you. Get over here. Shoot. Dude, I'm a chimp.
Zoinks.
What are you
I must
talking
sniff
about?
your hair.
I'm gonna.
I must
put
sniff
you over.
Zoinks.
Bro, look at this.
Zoinks.
Wait,
Are you just gonna do
look at this.
something at me?
I
Get up
must
here
give
and then
you a
look.
Question.
I might kill them.
Must give
Here
you a
I
question.
go.
Okay, look at this.
Kill them now.
Oh my god.
Bro,
You've banned me.
this isn't
times.
slippery.
Silly little monkeys.
It isn't? I'm falling off.
Monkeys. Don't deny your fate. Don't deny your fate, you silly little monkeys.
Can you unban me?
Me.
You from my Discord
Please.
server because you faked being a Discord kid. It will.
The fuck?
Please.
Yes.
Unban me.
You will get unbanned
You
soon.
banned me. You banned me 2 times.
Oh wait, we got another guy here.
Do we got Alfie?
Alfie, yeah. We was playing reverse tag. We was playing reverse tag in a code called 442.
If it's Barry, Barry is smelly now.
Barry.
Guys, is it Alfie? No way. No way. Can't be
Alfie said,
No, it's here.
me and his dino was up. We didn't say what it was, but we have this.
Oh, whoever just joined is smelly.
I'll be back, guys.
What if it's Alfie?
You're smelly. Oh, he stands with Russia. He stands with Russia. Look at his hat. Guys, he's a Ukraine hater. Oh, still, I still got that on recording. I got that on recording still. Oh my God, no way, bro. No way, bro. No way.
Reporting.
No.
You doesn't stand with Ukraine. Real?
Report
No.
Super hates me. Get over here, you smelly blackhouse.
No. You will not smell my feet today. You won't get another feet pic for a
Oh, you bitch. Yeti! Yeti!
Zoinks, you banned me because I said something.
No, I banned you because of the bot in your name.
Oh, yeah, that.
Hey, what's this spot?
I changed my name, though.
Okay? I'll unban you.
Are a player. Get over
I
here.
changed my name. And
No, you're mine.
And I was unbanned. And then only Midas was talking. And I said, why is only Midas talking?
That was me because I didn't see your name changed. No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. No, he Oh, you hate it.
Yeah, because it sounds like you're like when you. Okay, I studied. That's what it ended on now.
Don't.
Now you're going to puke yourself.
Like, imagine it. If
You hate the computer sound?
Yeah, because no, stop. It looks like he just made his own soundtrack of him clicking his mic, like clicking his mouse. You know when you click your mouse and it goes like.
Yeti is about to be creamed on. No cap. Ow! I was just destroyed by my bed.
My name is Card. My name
My name is Carmen Winstead. Oh, there's tag leg.
Shut up! I don't like Herman Winston. Is he Karma?
No. Let's go search for more possessed things. I'm very lucky that I'm editing this video good.
The blue thing.
Just say something random.
Subscribe to Zoink.
Joe Biden.
Thank you. You know, you should listen to that guy. Maybe you'll let your family say hello to you.
Maybe your family will say their last hello.
Maybe your family, maybe if you subscribe to me, you'll get to spend a day with your dad.
So I would subscribe if I got to spend a day with my dad. If you subscribe, you'll get 1,000 tokens. 1,000 tokens.
Real?
Yes, and you'll get Will Smith smack if you don't. You'll get Will Smith.
Hold on, let me terribly Photoshop this to saying 1 billion. There we go, that should be a good...
Wow. 1 billion. It really would was real. I got 1 billion tokens. I got 1 billion tokens. Look at this. It's off the charts.
Off the charts!
Off the charts. Boom. Boom.
No way, bro.
Yeah.
No way, bro. No way, man. After the round ends, which you guys can be a moron and let me tag you, the video ends. Just so I could say something before I end the video. Outro!